Before we get cooking, on behalf of all of us in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, I want to wish you and your family a very Merry Christmas. We know how much you have going on today, and we truly appreciate you spending a few extra minutes of your time with us. While we're together, I want to share one of the best homemade hot chocolate recipes we've ever tasted, and how you can easily make it, well, let's say Christmas Day special. We begin by combining some cocoa powder, sugar, and salt in a saucepan. After mixing this up, we add some water and let it simmer over low heat for about 6 to 8 minutes. When the whole house starts to smell chocolatey delicious, we stir in some half and half and a splash of vanilla. Once this warms up, we take it off the heat, making sure it doesn't boil. Now for the fun part. Using a bunch of marshmallows, pretzel sticks, cinnamon red hots, and some piping gel, we create the cutest floating snowman ever. Imagine whipping up a pot of this after dinner today and presenting everyone with their very own edible snowman. Or serve these to your kids and grandchildren when they come in to warm up after making a life-size snowman. To get the whimsical recipe for our Snowman Hot Chocolate, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found the cutest chocolatey way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Frosty makes them delicious.
Cute.